If you've been to Hobby Lobby recently, you may have spotted this wood cutout. It's the shape of a popsicle. And I'm just going to go through how I decided to decorate mine. I know sometimes these wood cutouts can be a little intimidating to paint, and you can really keep it very simple and basic. So I'm going to start by painting the bottom portion of this board with some Wise Owl Robin's Egg. And I'm going to do a little wave in the different sections. You can go straight across if you choose to. My middle layer is going to be done with some Wise Owl Snow Owl. Now with the white section you may have to do 2 coats, allowing it to dry in between coats. Now my top portion is going to be painted with some Wise Owl Raspberry Beret, and I'm going to allow all these different sections to fully dry. Now remember, there are so many different ways you can paint this. I also thought an Americana theme with the red, white, and blue and some stars would be cute, or even a watermelon would be cute. So I found these words, hello and summer, both came from Michaels. They were both under $2.99. And I'm going to paint them using some Wise Owl Goldenrod. Now I like to give my projects a light sanding, even if you do not want to distress it. This just smooths out the paint. And I also felt like it was going to kind of make those center sections of the popsicle pop out a little more. And then I do want to just remove all the sanding dust. Now in the wood cutout, there were some outlines of the center pieces of the popsicle. And I'm just going to take a black paint marker that I get right from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to outline right on that carved area. And I'm going to then take some gel stain, and I decided to stain the stick of the popsicle. And you just rub that gel stain in really well. Now these center pieces, I really didn't know where I wanted to go with them, so I started by adding a little bit of the Wise Owl Goldenrod to both of the sections. I'm just throwing in different summer colors. I would really love to know what everybody else would do with theirs. I kind of felt like it was one of those things I wasn't sure if I should just leave alone or add in the colors like I did. So once the goldenrod had fully dried, I'm then going to go on top of it with some Wise Owl Snow Owl. Now I did wet the area a little bit before adding the Snow Owl. I did not want it to fully cover the yellow. I just kind of wanted a light coating on top. I'm going to allow everything to fully dry, and I'm going to glue down my Hello Summer. And I'm going to put the summer down at the bottom on a little bit of an angle, and then I'll place the hello on top of that. And again, these words came from Michaels. They were 2 separate, hello and summer, but I felt like they were perfect for this sign. Now I'm going to give my project a top coat of the Wise Owl Furniture Salve. This is just a nice top coat for decorations that are going to be in dry places, and it also just helps brighten the paint, especially after doing a few coats and giving it a little bit of a light sanding. It just kind of brings the color of the paint back to life. And you do want to rub it in with a lint-free cloth. And then I'm going to just finish this off by adding a buffalo plaid bow to the top left corner of my popsicle. And I like to use the wired ribbon. You can kind of just fluff up the bow a little bit easier. And there you go. Now we just have this very easy Hello Summer front door or wall decor. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage as well. Have a great day.